Hi, we received this gutter washing kit as a gift so that we could use it, try it out, and give our opinion about it. So here my husband is just putting the pieces together. It comes with several pole type pieces that all screw end to end, and you can use more of the pieces or fewer of the pieces depending on how long you need it to be. This is the piece that has the different nozzles for the power washer. As you can see, they're different colors, and he's still just putting the pieces together. The piece that goes on the end then is curved, and there are a few different curved pieces with different angles, and you'll use the different angles depending on the needs of how you need to hook that around to wash out the gutters. So he is going to, there he's putting on that end piece. You can see it has a 45-degree angle at the top. So he's going to connect this to his power washer and show us how he uses it. It does have a little bit of a kickback when you first turn it on. And you can see then you just go down to the end of the gutter, go end to end to wash it through.